As a defrosting temperature controller, STC8080H controls the power status of the compressor and the defroster. Once power is on, it will proceed with the self-test. And then, it shows the room temperature value. If it displays an error code, please find the solution from our website. Let's see the 5 shortcut keys. Press the up button to check the compressor's starts temperature. It will return to normal status without operating in 3 seconds. Press the down button to check the compressor stops temperature. Press the set button to check the hours between 2 defrosting actions. Press the RST button to check the defrosting minutes. Hold the down button for 3 seconds to change the defrosting status manually.
Above are how to check existing values, then how to configure the STC8080H parameters.
Step 1. Hold the set key for 3 seconds. You will see F1 shows. Step 2. Press the set key to check the existing value. Now it is -10 degrees. Let's change it to -8 in the next step. Step 3. Hold the set key. Don't release it. Meanwhile, press the up key to change the value.
Step 4. Switch to the next code by pressing the arrow button. And check the F2 existing value just like step 2. Let's change the F2 from -20 to -25 degrees. Hold the set key, don't release it. Meanwhile, press the down key to change the value. Repeat above operates to change others parameters, F3 to F8. After configuring all menus, press the RST key to save data and back to normal status. You will see the cool light flashing, which means the delay time. The compressor will start after it.
Welcome to visit our website for more information. Thanks.